Here is the deal, guys. I am 100% confident that you are able to make it on Upwork, regardless of whether you believe it or not. But I am 100% confident. I have confidence in you. My name is Jessica Ma. I am a full-time Upwork freelancer. I have worked here for over 18 months and I'm a professional product manager. I mentor people how to become freelancers on Upwork. Here is what I have actually developed. I have created a program, a mentorship program for you so that you'll be able to succeed on Upwork. This is not for everybody. It is only for people that are really trying hard, but maybe they have some knowledge gap. There are gaps in some of the things that they already know. So that's why I have decided to mentor you for the next 14 days. Watch at most 2 videos per day. Don't watch more than 2 videos. The reason for that is if you watch more than 2 videos, you are not going to do the extra work that you need to do. On each day, we are going to do certain activities. I am going to instruct you. I am going to show you. First, I will show you what to do. You will see me do it online. You will see me performing the task that I'm asking you to do, right? So I will do it, and then I will ask you to go and sit and work on it, all right? Then the next day, we are going to take a step further on that progress that we've already made. So for each day, I would advise you only watch 2 videos and then do the assignments. Work on the assignments, and then the next day you do the next. So here is the roadmap of how this program will work. The first thing that we are going to do is the psychology of Upwork. Now, I know you've never heard about this before, but there is psychology. There is some amount of psychological knowledge that you need to know. There are things that you need to understand. Either you understand them and accept them, or you don't, right? So if you want to make it on Upwork, you have to understand a few facts about Upwork. When you understand those facts, then you have to internalize them. Internalize them means accepting them. You preparing yourself, prepare your mindset for the work that is coming towards you. Because there will be, it's not like something that is easy, like I used to say in my videos. This is not like a quick win something. It only becomes easy when you start winning jobs. When you start getting those permanent clients that depend on you to run their business, that's the only time it becomes easy. And then money will start flowing into your account and you'll be so happy, you'll be so excited. You become the big one. I mean, in your family, everybody starts respecting you. But that respect does not come easily. You have to work for it. Wherever you are, whether you are black, you are white, you are whatever race you are, it doesn't matter. That's the naked fact. The only thing that prevents you from getting jobs on Upwork, it is you. The amount of work and the willingness to do what I'm going to teach you in the next 14 days. That's what's going to stop you. Once I provide those assignments, you go and do them, and then we progress on the next day, right? So I'm going to show you step by step. So on this particular program, the things that we'll be going to do is, first of all, create a very professional account, right? The right way. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create your account and then optimize that account. How do you optimize your account properly, right? So I'm going to walk you through my own account, and everything that I'll be doing with my own account so that you see exactly. So optimizing your account involves a lot of other things like setting up your account as a professional so that you create value, you show value as well as trust to clients so that clients can trust you that you are someone who is serious, who is ready to actually work on the platform, right? So we're going to go into that details, right? The next thing is for you to set up your portfolio. How do you do it? You see everything step by step, how I do it, so that you also can follow that process. The next thing we are going to do is how to search for jobs. Now, you have to know how to search. I have never thought about how to search jobs. I only show you how you can see jobs on your feed. So I'm going to teach you how to search for a job and how to identify lucrative jobs, spot them. The next thing is I'm going to talk about features on the platform. There are certain features that you need to understand how they operate. Because now, you can even get a job on Upwork. Sometimes it becomes difficult to request payments because you don't know how the platform works. You need to understand how Upwork is set up to work, to operate, to how to take advantage of the platform itself. All right. So those are topics that we are going to go into detail so that you understand. And then I'll show you how to engage clients, how to appear very professional and trustworthy as a person, regardless of whether you have experience or you don't have experience. So basically what I'm saying is I want to teach you everything you need to know from creating your account up to the level of going for an interview and winning that job. Even after you win the job, how you're supposed to conduct yourself so that you keep on flourishing on the platform, not just to win your first job, keeping yourself as a professional and keep updating yourself so that you don't run out of jobs. Now, remember, a freelancer, you can be laid off at any time. You don't need to allow that to happen to you. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.